Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a video tutorial that goes with our Steampunk Valentine's Day printable. But of course this printable is more versatile than just for Valentine's. It includes happy anniversary sentiments, it includes happy Valentine's Day sentiments, it includes happy birthday sentiments as well, so that you can create a variety of cards. And they can be masculine cards or they can be more feminine cards. So this is a quick look at the cards that I created using this printable, and they're all quite easy to put together. It didn't take me very long at all to make this set of 6 cards because everything was cut and ready to go for me, so it was nice and easy just gluing everything together. And I'll take you through the video tutorial for how I created these cards. So I started with my Steampunk Valentine printable and I cut everything out on my scan and cut machine. There's love hearts in this little printable, there's little pictures that you can use, different styles, there's steampunk men, there's cogs and wheels, there's a cute little kitty cat in there and some flowers. So there's like a variety of things. We've also got some more love hearts, some butterflies, some different flowers in different sizes, a little love heart banner, and some skinnier sentiments. And there's a variety of sentiments in those as well. So I'm going to take a 12 by 12 black piece of cardstock and I'm going to use this black for the base color of my cards. Of course you can use any color that you have at home, whether that be craft or white or a navy or a sort of orange color. It's whatever you have that you can use. I'm going to make a 5.5 by 5.5 card. So I'm cutting at 5.5 there, and then I'm going to cut those at 11 inches, or you can do it the other way around, cut the whole piece at 11 inches and then cut at 5.5 and 5.5. Once you've cut your pieces out, then you're going to fold them in half. And today we will be making 5.5 inch cards, which is a nice size. I'm going to start with 2 and I'm going to work my way up to 6. Now there's this teal background square. This was perfect. This was made for a layering piece. So I'm going to glue that on first as my layering piece so that I've got a little bit of color on my card. And that'll give me a nice black border around the edge of my card. Next up, I'm going to choose a piece of patterned paper, and you can choose whichever one you like the best. There's a few different ones there. 6, I think, all together. So up to you as to which one you would like to create with first. Now I did create these little teal strips and a little pattern strip to go possibly vertically or horizontally across your card so that you have a nice contrast strip there. So I'm going to put mine vertically. So let's just quickly glue on our patterned piece and for both of our cards, and then we will glue on our little strips, and this just makes a very easy base card. All right, there's not a lot of thinking involved, it's just choosing your pattern pieces. Everything else is very simple and very basic for you to do easily. So there's my navy, or sorry, my teal strip, and then my patterned strip over the top. You don't have to put it on the right hand side of your card. You might like to move it to the left hand side, you might like to put it in the middle. It's up to you. You might like to put it horizontally at the top or at the bottom or in the middle. That's up to you. I'm just going with that to be easy today. I'm going to choose 2 love hearts. You can go with any one that you like. I'm going to go with the, you might even like to layer 2 onto your card. I'm just going to go with 1, and I'm going to go with the couple, steampunk couple image, and the dog image. And of course there's other elements that you can play around with. You might like to add some flowers to your card. Maybe a butterfly. And then you can choose the sentiment that will match your image. So this one I think is a nice anniversary image. And the top one could be anything. Could be Valentine's, could be birthday, depending on who you're giving the card to, or whether you're going to sell your card or give it away. Up to you. I'm going to attempt to add some cardboard under the love heart for this design. You don't have to use cardboard. If you prefer to keep your card flat, you can. So I'm just going to experiment with these cards, and this one I'm going to use some cardboard just to elevate the heart a little bit. And I'm going to put my anniversary sentiment on the same sort of elevation as the heart. So I just need a little bit of cardboard on this side of the sentiment, and then it'll glue onto the heart on the other side. And then with my little flowers, I'm just going to bring them up a little bit too, because otherwise they'll sort of be sinking down below the heart. So just a little bit on each flower there. And then I'm going to put a little flower in the middle of that one. And then I'll just add a tiny little flower as well down there at the bottom. Alright, so how quick and easy is that? It's a really quick and easy card. You can shape the petals of your flowers if you'd like. We'll do the inside in a moment. Let's move on now to the dog card at the top. Now I'm thinking this would be a nice male happy birthday card. Little cogs there, and they're a masculine element for cards, so no flowers on this card. Put our sentiment here and put our happy birthday on there. Just going to layer that over the top of the heart. There we go. And then our 2 little cogs for our decorations or our embellishments. So yeah, I think that works quite well for a masculine card. Slip that in there. There we go. I don't know whether that should go under the sentiment or over the sentiment. Up to you, what you think. Could add that in as well if we wanted to. We could cut that little bit of banner there and put that in, and a little bit at the top bit there. That looks quite cute. Little heart-shaped banner in the background there. That's an option. You could put that in if you wanted to. You could leave it out if you didn't want it. Alright, so that's all looking really, really good. Now for the inside, there's these plain, there's sort of like a light green square. I was thinking that would go well for the inside of the card. You don't have to print out another teal if you don't want to have the extra layer on the inside, but I decided that I would because the border is quite large. So I think I'm going to print out some more of the teal, and I actually printed out a lot more of these. So if you're going to be making these cards and you want to have that teal layer, you're going to need 1 sheet per card, because I put 1 on the front and 1 on the inside, but it's up to you. You might have some teal cardstock that you want to use up, and you could layer that in there because it is a fair bit of ink for just a little border, so depending on what you like, but it does look really nice. So just popping that in there, and then this sort of grey-green colour on top for writing, and then a little decoration perhaps. I mean, I've got lots of decorations here that haven't been used, so I thought maybe it might be nice to just sort of coordinate the little decorations on the inside of the card with what I used on the outside of the card. And of course, this is optional. And then on this one, I considered a flower, but I thought, no, it's a masculine card, so I decided to go with a cog because I thought that would be better. But you can choose whatever little embellishment you would like, and let's just imagine that you ran out of them. Don't forget, you can always print off more. That's the beautiful thing about printables. It's just easy to print off more. 6 beautiful cards that we've made in record time today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I find steampunk cards do come together quite easily, and when all the bits and pieces are cut out for you, ready to go, it can be quite quick and easy to put them all together. So here's a quick look. We've got our little kitty cat card. We've got our happy anniversary card. This could be a wedding card. We have another happy anniversary, could be a birthday card. We've got our cute little puppy happy Valentine's Day card. We've got our puppy happy birthday card. And we've got our steampunk happy birthday card. This printable is available in the Papercraft Secrets classroom or in the shop. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.